All the friends living in any other country who cannot understand Hindi, for them I have just started a new channel whose name is LCD LED 4K TV Repair. In this channel my main language will be in English only so that you can better understand. Today's video is all about how to recognize the component which has blown off from the PCB. For example, here are two components. The first component number is KL4 and another one same component part number, and here is one more, it is written like UA. Okay, this one. So how to recognize in place of this, if any one of this is blown off or all the three, then how can you recognize? In place of this, what can be used? For that we have to understand its biasing, its part number. That means here are some of the reading by which you can recognize what may be the part. Here it is written D2, D4 and D1. Okay, so D4 is this one, okay, D2 is this one and D1 is this one. Okay, so one more is here, this part location number here is Q1. Alphabetic form. I will let you know what may be the things used here. Okay, this is 3-pin diode used here. Okay, and this may be a transistor, normal transistor, PNP or NPN, or maybe a P channel MOSFET or a N channel MOSFET. So I will let you know using multimeter, looking at its biasing, how it is used, and we will know that which is this component, how to recognize this one. In place of this, what can be used? For this, first we have to understand the multimeter, how it has to be used and for what purpose we are using. In that manner only the switch format should be and the probe format should be here. Okay, first I am telling about the diode test, because this type of components, to recognize it, you have to keep in continuity or a diode test. Okay, so I just move the dial to diode test, and one more thing, to select this I have to press this switch one by one so that this diode information is seen in front of me. Okay, now I'll start reading the device, which type of things used here. First I will see that any of the pin is grounded or not by keeping this meter in continuity mode, so that it gives a noise to let me know if the continuity is there with a ground. I am just keeping one probe here in ground, and you can see here none of the pins are going towards ground side. Okay, so this is not a NPN or a PNP transistor. It can be a P channel MOSFET or a N channel MOSFET. To find it out which type of MOSFET it is, we have to keep this meter in diode test. Now here you can see that the multimeter is in diode format. So first I have to see this reading. It has 3 terminals. If it is a N channel or a P channel MOSFET, 3 terminals. Left terminal, this one, give the things in close up so that you better understand. So it is written Q1, so we have guessed it that it may be a NPN PNP transistor or a N channel MOSFET or a P channel MOSFET. By touching at a ground, we have not seen any type of continuity in the 3 of the terminals, so we find out that this is a P channel or a N channel MOSFET. To find out which type of MOSFET it is, I have kept multimeter in diode format, and I am looking at 3 terminals. This left side pin is gate terminal, this one, center one, is drain, and right side is source pin. Okay, it has 3 terminals. to find out which type of MOSFET it is, I have kept in diode test. It just large so that multimeter is visible in the video area. Now I will see that it is a P channel or a N channel. For this I have kept negative probe on source terminal and positive probe on drain terminal. It is giving a reading of 0.510. So this is a P channel MOSFET. Source is input and drain is output. Okay, and gate has to be 0 volt to give the output. Okay, so this is a P channel MOSFET. If it is blown off, we have to remove it and replace a P channel MOSFET in place of this one. If it is blown off, right now I have seen what is the characteristic of this. So it has given me the readings, so that I found out that it is a P channel MOSFET. If for example this one is blown off, we assume it as it is blown off. So now how to find it? The same thing, first we have to see any one of the pin terminal is grounded or not. Okay, by this format I have seen that none of the pin is grounded. Okay, 3 of the pin is not grounded. So now it is a MOSFET. Now find out which type of MOSFET. I have to see which pin is getting a voltage. Okay, if input is towards source, it is a P channel MOSFET. If input is towards drain, then it is a N channel MOSFET. Now you understood how to find out what can be used in place of this component. In next all videos I will give you about these diodes, how to find out which type of diode you can use in place of this if it is burnt. Okay, so just wait for my next video. Till then, just subscribe me and press the bell icon so that you get a listing of next videos in your notification area, so that you can watch it very early. Thanks a lot to watch my video.